Are you looking for ways to make money online? Fiverr is a popular platform that allows freelancers and entrepreneurs to offer their skills and services to a global audience. But with so many options available, it can be very difficult to know where to start. In this video, we'll go over the best strategies for making money on Fiverr in 2023. First, it is important to identify your skills and expertise. Think about what you are good at and what you enjoy doing, and consider how those skills can be turned into a service that others would be willing to pay for. It could be graphic design. It could be writing if you're a good writer. If you're a good video editor, think about it. If you're a good voiceover artist, if you can offer virtual assistants, if you are good at programming, if you can translate languages, like for example, if you are good in English and someone requires some documents which probably are in Kiswahili to be translated, and many other. Think about what you are good at. Once you have identified your skills, it is time to create a detailed and compelling gig. A gig is a listing of a specific services that you are offering. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your gig title and also in the description to help potential buyers find your gig. But don't stop at just one gig. Create multiple gigs that showcase your different skills and services. This way, you will have a better chance of attracting and making more money. So just ensure that you identify your skills, then you create a compelling and a detailed gig, then people will come. People will start showing interest. Building a strong portfolio can also help you stand out on Fiverr and attract more clients. Use images, use videos, use testimonials to showcase your work and demonstrate your expertise. A portfolio that is visually appealing and easy to navigate will make a great impression on potential clients. After that, the next step would be to promote your gigs to potential buyers. Share your gigs on social media, in forums. Like for example, if you are experienced in graphics design, look at forums where people are discussing about graphics design. Share them there. In groups related to your field of expertise. Engage with your audience. Answer their questions and provide useful tips. This will help you build a reputation as an expert in your field and attract more clients. Communication is key when working on Fiverr. Make sure to respond promptly to buyers' messages and questions and keep them updated on the progress of their order. Be professional, friendly, and always willing to go the extra mile for your client. Providing excellent customer service is essential in order to get repeat business and positive reviews. Make sure to go above and beyond for your client and to address any issue of concern. If there are certain issues, if you can, please just address them. Positive reviews and testimonials will help you attract more clients and make more money on Fiverr. Finally, it is important to continue to improve your skills and services in order to stay ahead of competition. Keep an eye on trends and new technologies in your field, and consider taking online courses and attending workshops to improve your skills. This will help you stay relevant and make you more valuable to your clients. By following these tips and being willing to put in efforts, you can turn Fiverr into a significant source of income. So start by building your gig today and take the first step towards financial success on Fiverr. Remember, diversifying your income stream is also important. You can offer multiple services, create a course, or even an e-book to sell to existing clients. This will give you a steady stream of income and help you reach your earning goals. Another tip is to network and collaborate with other freelancers and entrepreneurs on Fiverr. This can help you expand your reach and get more exposure and increase your potential earning. Lastly, don't forget to market yourself. Utilize social media, your own website, and other platforms to promote your services and reach out to potential clients. By doing this, you'll be able to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of making money on Fiverr. In conclusion, Fiverr can be a great platform for freelancers and entrepreneurs to make money by offering their skills and services to a global audience. By following these tips, being willing to put in the effort, and continuously working on improving your skills and services, you can turn Fiverr into a significant source of income. Thank you guys, and may you have a good day. Bye-bye.